is Frankie McDonald, my own TV station, live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Major snowstorms headed towards San Carlos de Bariloche on Thursday, June 20th, 2024. It's going to bring a lot of snow. Winds are going to be pretty strong. It's going to cause blowing, drifted snow in San Carlos de Bariloche. It's going to bring a lot of snow in San Carlos de Bariloche, Argentina. Winds are going to be really strong. It's going to cause a lot of snow on the ground. I want every single person to be extra careful when you go for a walk in San Carlos de Bariloche, Argentina. The winds are going to be really strong in the surrounding communities as well in San Carlos de Bariloche, Argentina. I want every single person to wear your winter boots, winter jackets, hats and gloves and scarf and ski pants is ready. The winter begins on June 20th in San Carlos de Bariloche, Argentina. Make sure to have your salt ready. Put the salt on the road. Make sure of your shovels, snow scoops, snow blowers, snow plows, and salt trucks ready as well. Make sure of your heat pumps and furnaces ready to keep the house warm. If you have anybody living in San Carlos de Bariloche, be extra careful when you're driving the car. Be prepared for a major snowstorm on Thursday, June 20th, 2024. Take care, stay safe. Don't get caught in a major snowstorm. Stay warm, be safe.